Welcome amazing ladies and stunning women to my new video. In this video, you will discover a variety of amazing short hairstyling ideas that are perfect for women of all ages. Get ready to be amazed by the different short haircuts, including pixie cuts, bob hairstyles and more. These stunning hairstyles will make you feel confident and look absolutely fabulous. So join me today as we explore over 100 unique haircut ideas in gorgeous colors that you can find in my video. Whether you are from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Poland, Morocco, Germany, Mexico, Spain, Italy, Switzerland, or from anywhere else in the world, these hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to keep up with the latest summer fashion trends. When it comes to short hairstyles, there are too much of options to choose from. In this video, we have selected more than 100 different haircut ideas that suit various tastes and preferences. You will witness the beauty of different colors, styles, and lengths, all designed to enhance your natural features and make a bold fashion statement. One of the highlights of this video is the mesmerizing pixie cut. Pixie haircuts are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit any face, shape, and personality. Whether you prefer an elegant and sophisticated look or a more playful style, there is a pixie cut that is perfect for you. These short hairstyles are not only on trend but are also incredibly low maintenance, making them a fantastic choice for busy people who still wants to look their best. In today's video, we have a special treat for you. We will showcase a wide variety of short hairstyles that are sure to spark your creativity and help you find the perfect look. From sleek pixie cuts to trendy bob hairstyles, we have got you covered. So let's dive in and explore the wonderful world of short hair. As you watch this video, you will notice the stunning range of colors that can transform your short hair into a true work of art. From classic black to warm browns, there is a color to suit your unique style and complement your skin tone. Experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. In addition to the variety of styles and colors, we have included some amazing transformational haircuts in this video. You'll be surprised how a simple haircut can completely change a person's appearance. Witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair who opt for a bold and confident short haircut. It is a true testament to the power of a hair and how a new hairstyle can boost self-esteem and bring about a remarkable transformation. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. Remember to watch until the end as we have many more awesome hairstyles to share with you. If you are finding inspiration from these short haircut ideas, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. We had love to hear which styles you liked the best and how they inspired you to adopt a new look. If you have not already, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. By doing this, you'll never miss out on any of the latest videos. So until next time, take care, see you soon.